We are at Onato Junction. This presidential road, Onato Junction. And we're heading to Obiago. So this presidential road. So let's go into Obiago and see what's happening there. This is Obiago. I don't know the names of the junctions. I'll need to find out. But I'll just drive through Obiago. Then hopefully, if someone knows the names of these junctions, please let us know in the comments. A lot of buildings are coming up here in Obiago, actually. A lot of buildings. I don't know a couple of names of the junctions, but if someone knows, the person can just help us out in the comments box. My name is Jeff Anozie, and today I'm driving through Obiago. I know a couple of people will know, so please let us know in the comments section the names of the junctions or the streets names, like the streets that are off the major Obiago road. This is Madam Omife. Madam Omife is still here. She's still here, selling one of the best foods within this area. This is a new building. I'm just seeing this myself. Inside Obiago. We're passing through Obiago actually. Someone requested this video, and so we're just doing it for the person. The person can see what Obiago looks like today. This is a new building too. I'm just seeing this. Buildings are coming up. Obiago is growing. Obiago is expanding. So we came in from Presidential Road. We are going to leave from Edinburgh. That's Council roundabout, Edinburgh. That's where we are going to leave from. Obiago. Today is Monday. Today is supposed to be a sit at home, but apparently the sit at home is relaxing. Like, people are coming out, even though not as much as it used to be. But I mean, people are coming out gradually. You know. Yeah, so we're in Obiago today, just driving through Obiago. On a normal day, this road gets very busy. Like from tomorrow now, this road gets very, very busy, and we won't be able to drive comfortably like this. This is last bus stop Obiago. This is the last bus stop of Obiago. This is Council roundabout. This is Council roundabout. Council. So straight down is Edinburgh, and we're also, this road is Edinburgh, so we're heading towards Edinburgh. We're going to connect 6th Avenue from Edinburgh. 6th Avenue from Edinburgh. If you like this type of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so you get to see videos like this from time to time. You get to see this type of videos from time to time. Yeah, so from Edinburgh, we came out at 6th Avenue. This is 6th Avenue Junction. 6th Avenue Junction. We're heading towards Ogui Road. This road is 6th Avenue. This road is Ogui Road. This is First Bank at Edinburgh Junction. So from here, you see one of the biggest electronic shops in Enugu, Albertina. This is not an advert, but this is Albertina. There's Albert. They own the whole plaza. All the buildings here they are all the electronic shops, but they are closed today, as you can see, because of the sit-at-home order. So Mondays, most of these offices or shops are closed. Actually, they are still closed on Mondays. Yeah, this is a car sales stand. And we're connecting. This is 6th Avenue. There are some big plazas coming up here. Some big shopping complex. This one calls himself Onwa Jesus Shopping Complex. Shopping plaza. You can see the plazas are almost ready. So we're connecting Ogui Road from here. So straight down here is Ogbete. Straight down this way is Ogbete Market. So we are going towards Ogui Road here. This is Osisatek roundabout. This is Osisatek roundabout. This is the beginning of Ogui Road. This road goes straight down to Abakaliki Road. That's Ogui roundabout. Okay. All right. I'm going to be stopping this video somewhere here because I'm heading towards. If you like this type of videos, please hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel so you get to see this type of videos from time to time as I bring them and show you the happenings around Enugu. This is Ogui Junction. This is one of the most commercial roads or streets in Enugu. It's highly commercialized, but like you can see today, most of the shops are closed. A few of them have opened, but most are closed. Everybody's still trying to check the sit-at-home order and to see if it's still holding. You can see most of all the shops are closed. This is Ogui that is usually very busy. This is the stadium, Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium. That's the main entrance. This is the stadium to my left. Stadium Ogui. We are on the traffic lights. This is Eastern Shop. This is Eastern Shop down there. That's Eastern Shop there. Eastern Shop. I hear is one of the oldest shops or malls in Enugu. Eastern Shop. So this is Eastern Shop Junction or Stadium Junction. That is Stadium. There's so many shops around here, but most of them are all closed because of the sit-at-home order. They are most of them are closed today, Monday. All right, till I come your way again. Stay blessed, stay happy. I'm Jeff Anozie, and bye for now.